In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create roadmaps in Confluence Planning Guide. A clear roadmap in Confluence helps your team see what's happening, when it's happening, and who's responsible. We'll walk through building a page that makes timelines, milestones, and ownership obvious, so everyone can plan with confidence. Start by heading to the Confluence space where this roadmap should live. Click Create to open a new page and give it a descriptive title like Product Roadmap 2026 or Project Timeline, so it's instantly recognizable in search. If your space uses a homepage or sidebar navigation, position the roadmap near the top so it's easy for teammates and stakeholders to find. A short intro paragraph on the page explaining what the roadmap covers and how often it's updated also sets expectations. Next, choose a layout that supports clarity. Open Insert More Content and select Layout. If your roadmap will be a horizontal timeline, a single white column keeps everything readable. If you want to pair milestones with notes, risks, or metrics, try 2 columns. Timeline on the left, context on the right. Keep it consistent so returning viewers don't have to relearn the structure. Now add the building blocks, type the / key to open the macro menu. Insert the roadmap planner for a visual bar and milestone view, a table if you prefer columns like quarter, goal, owner, and status, and a task list for the follow-up work tied to each milestone. Configure the roadmap by setting start and end dates, naming milestones clearly, and assigning owners or teams. If you need Confluence, there's a link to the website at the top of the description so you can get started right away. Make progress visible with status and priorities. Use status macros like on track, at risk, or completed, and color code them to reflect urgency and impact at a glance. Group initiatives by quarter, sprint, or department so leaders can scan the timing and scope quickly. Keep the color meanings consistent across your space to avoid confusion. Connect your roadmap to deeper details. Link each item to its project page so viewers can dive into scope, decisions, and docs without searching. For structured roll-ups, add page properties on project pages and a page properties report on the roadmap page. Apply consistent labels across related pages so updates and reports stay in sync automatically. When you're ready, click Publish and share the page with your stakeholders. Revisit it regularly to reflect progress and changes. Don't forget to review and update your roadmap consistently to keep stakeholders aligned and informed. Thanks for watching.